Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on Nikon camera. And to do this, we'll need to click on Menu. Here find this wrench icon and enter it, then scroll down for the world time, enter the world time settings, and inside we can change our time zone, date and time, date format, how it's visible on the stamp in our pictures, and finally daylight saving time that we can activate or deactivate. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.